Hey, Danny, welcome to my vlog. And I gotta get the mower deck on the mower. And I got a wall of rain coming. I need to get this thing in the garage as soon as I can. I want to get the Mustang out. Sucker in the garage. Oh man, flat tire again. Oh. Yeah. It's raining. Alright, get that in here. The tire's not holding air overnight anymore. So I get that jacked up a little bit. And I've got some tire seal. Get that put in there. So she's probably got a nail or something. No, I wouldn't say a nail. Probably a nice thorn or something in it. So stay tuned. Alright, first thing I gotta do is sharpen the blades for this season. My glasses. Leaving the house. Okay, wanna do that? No, alright. Enough. I just do a quick hit on the bottom. Oh. That's not how it's started. Glove on. A little more. start at the beginning of the season. I bought that tractor, that mower, and that snowblower that I've been putting on every year for $500 at an auction. And the problem with it that everybody kept walking away from when they looked at it was the fact that the rear of this on the side, the rear axle kept turning. Well, what happened is the original manufacturer's L brackets that attach the axle to the frame had cracked. So when you went to put it into gear, nothing would happen. It wouldn't move because the fact it actually was broken on this side. Because this is your drive side. Your belt comes from the front of your drive section back to the axle here. And what would happen is because that L bracket had broke, it was only like a 1/4 inch piece of freaking metal, L. So what would happen is once it broke, this would shift forward and loosen the belt on your pulley that runs your rear axle. So it wouldn't go the minute you push this into gear. Nothing would happen because the belt was slipping on the pulley because this bracket had broke. So I found some heavier duty L bracket and cut holes in it and made them up. And I've been driving this thing for, oh geez, it's got to be longer than that. I think I've had this thing about 6, 7 years, and I've never had a problem with it after I did that. And I was changing fluid, and I was doing this, and I was doing that, and I could not figure out why, when I put it into gear, it would not move. And it was just because that L bracket had broken, and every time you put it into gear, there wouldn't be enough tension on the pulley. It was turning, so I thought, the pulley was turning with the belt, but the belt was slipping because this would pull forward and loosen that belt. So if you've got a tractor like this one here, and you can't get it to move, you might want to check those L brackets that are holding right to your axle. So anyway, let's get back to putting the mower deck back on the tractor here. I put new belts on this. I had to put a new pulley broke on the deck. So it's got new pulleys, new belts. We're ready to go. The only thing I have problems with is the hookups here. Over here where I'm working. There we go. Slide that puppy into there. I got the jack under the back section. Alright, I got new. Let me get the other one here. Drop it down. And actually went out and got some new. I got some new quick links. Here's the other one. That one it's a little bit too bent, huh? And this one here is still functioning. Pen. No. Get your butt back on the front side of that. Look at the belt on the wrong side. It's gonna go where you want it to go. Okay. That. Same the other side. That pin. Can't have a pin on that side. Yeah. Yay, very fun. It's left over my my cell phone that I sent to the snowblower. Two years ago. It was a Samsung Galaxy 7 went through the snowblower. And she didn't do so good. Okay. Alright, now to the front. Get these new links installed. Unfortunately, I found that the original setup is no longer available for it. A lot obsolete. It's going to be too long. Too short. Too long, too short. I'm gonna take up on that. Well, that ain't making me happy. Turn it around. This one here. Oh yeah. That'll work. No exact same distance on that one. Actually, will be. Perfect. All right. Well, back to the drawing board. Pretty much to disconnect all those everything so it can work from the front and go to the back. Oh my God. Stay tuned.